Welcome to 39 Seacombe Grove in Brighton, a landmark in luxury and the most exclusive waterfront estate in Melbourne. Set on the prestigious Golden Mile, this European-inspired villa commands a forward-facing absolute beachfront position with sweeping, uninterrupted views across Port Phillip Bay from the Middle Brighton Pier to the city skyline and beyond. This iconic residence made history in November of 2022, selling for an astounding $31.6 million, setting the record as the most expensive home ever sold in Brighton. Positioned on 1,420 square metres of prized northwesterly land, this 4-level architectural masterpiece features 18 grand rooms designed for refined family living and world-class entertaining. With direct access to the sand and promenade, every space captures the beauty of the bay and spectacular sunset skies. Inside, a grand dining hall, conservatory, and music room are framed by sea views, while the chef's kitchen boasts honed granite finishes, Gaggenau appliances, and integrated Liebherr refrigeration. A second entertainment kitchen anchors the main living space on level 1, perfect for sunset gatherings over Port Phillip Bay. The home features 4 ensuite bedrooms, including a palatial third-floor parents' retreat and fully self-contained 4-level apartment. Executive amenities include a library, home office with private entry, and a sea-facing champagne lounge for intimate entertaining. The basement rivals any private club, featuring a gold-class cinema, wine lounge, billiards room, gym with steam room, and direct access to the beach. The 12-car showroom garage includes a workshop, wash bay, and full support facilities. Appointed with every imaginable luxury: internal lift, C-bus smart wiring, Sonos audio, zoned climate control, motorized blinds, marble and Castlemaine stone finishes. This home is a sanctuary of elegance and engineering. Just 12 kilometres from the CBD and steps from Brighton's yacht club, elite schools, and fine dining. 39 Seacombe Grove is more than a residence, it's a once-in-a-generation coastal estate.